Have you ever wanted to combine two videos in Canva but redo the audio? Maybe replace it or add your own voiceover. In this tutorial, I'll show you step by step how to merge videos, extract audio from an existing clip and replace it with one clean audio track, all inside Canva. No external software needed. Hi, I'm Liesel from VA Wonder and welcome back to the channel. Let me show you how to do this. Start by opening Canva and creating a new video project. If you choose video, you will see that Canva has already set up the correct canvas sizes for various platforms. For this example, I will create a video for Instagram stories. Let's start by renaming our file. So go to File and type in the name. So mine is called Going to the Market Story. Now go down to Uploads. Then click on Upload Files. Upload your first video, and as soon as it appears here in the preview, you can click it over onto your canvas. Now you can hear that there is quite a lot of background noise. Let me show you how to extract it from your video. Simply right-click, go down to Extract Audio, or you can use the keyboard shortcut Ctrl+Shift+E. Your audio will now be extracted. You will see it appear here in the timeline below your video. If you still want to use this audio in the video, you can move it to a different time slot. Or if you don't need it anymore, you can right-click and delete it. I will just resize this video onto the canvas before we continue. And now it's time to add the next video. So click here on the plus to add a page. We will use the same method. Go to Uploads and upload your second video. Click the video onto your canvas. Again, you can hear the background noise. Let's extract it. Right-click on the video, Extract Audio, or you can use Ctrl+Shift+E. The track will now appear below the video timeline. Right-click onto your audio track to delete it. Now resize the video. Let's check our video before we add our new audio. To do so, we can either click here on Preview at the top, or you can click the play button here at the bottom of the video. Now it's time to add your new audio. It can be a voiceover, an AI voiceover, background music, or a sound we extracted earlier. I've already created a video on how to add a voiceover as well as how to create an AI voiceover. I will leave the links for those videos in the description box below. Today, I will show you how to add some background music that is available here in Canva. For all of these, the principle stays the same. To add your audio, you can either go to Uploads, and under Audio, you will find your voice recordings, or you can actually upload a pre-recorded audio. If you want to do some background music right here in Canva, you can click on Add Audio. You can also go to Elements and then search for the audio that you're looking for. In this case, I'm looking for some Portuguese Fado audio. So let's have a look. If you play this little play button, you will get a preview of what the music sounds like. And I would like to add this Fado Obrigado. So let's add that. I've clicked the music over to my video, and you can see the audio is starting where I've left this timeline guide. So if you want the music to be from the beginning, you can just move your timeline. Let's go back. Let me show you. So move the timeline backwards. Now click the music over. And then you will see it will cover the whole video. You can still make the sound snippet shorter by dragging the sliders at the back or the front end of the snippet. You can also make it shorter and then move the audio clip within your video. To make your clips blend smoothly, add transitions between them. Canva offers fades, slides, and more. Let's add a soft dissolve. When you're happy with how your video looks and sounds, click Share, then Download and choose MP4. Canva will combine everything into one polished video with your new audio perfectly synced. Quick note, if you're using Canva's built-in music tracks for social media, make sure your Canva Pro account is connected to your social channels. That way, the music license is automatically applied when you post, ensuring your video stays compliant and copyright safe. Let's check out our final video. And that's how you combine multiple videos, extract audio and replace it with one clean track, all in Canva. If you found this helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more Canva tips every week. Thank you so much for watching and see you next time. Bye-bye.